This is my new Meterk 4-in-1 detector. Comes in a nice sort of straightforward sale and display box. It's supplied with a little case to keep it in, which is a nice idea. And here's the detector itself. Now in the box underneath all of this lot there is an instruction book. I have to confess that I haven't yet quite figured out everything about how to use it from reading the instruction book, but I will be playing around with it a bit more later today to find out. So on-off is simple enough. You turn it on like that, and in the metal mode it should detect pieces of metal. Okay, I need to do a bit more work to get that to work. And this is the wood mode. One thing I did want to show you was the little probes here. Now this is to detect the moisture content of wood, so I'll do a test with this later. But at the moment it says this contains 59% moisture, which may well be, this is 100% now, which may well be correct because it did rain on this recently. Oh no, that's better, yes, it's calibrating itself. Right, so we're now in metal detect mode, so I'm moving across the wall. And there is the centre of the power cable down to the light switch. Move off it, move back again. So it detects the power cable reasonably accurately. I'm going to go into wood mode, flashes while it calibrates. Then I can move the detector across the wall, and when it gets to where the wooden beam is, you can see it detects the wooden beam at the corner here okay. Now if I go back this way, nothing there, and then round about here is where the next one is. There we go, just there. Now I'm in metal detect mode. I'm going to see if I can find where the nails in this wall are. It's finding one round about here. Go up and down the beam and you can see where the nails are because the gauge goes up a bit and then drops back down again as I move away from them. There's a nail, on up we go. There's another one. To test the moisture measuring mode, to do that you have to flip open the end cap and remove those two little plastic covers. The moisture probes are quite sharp, so you are warned to be careful when removing the covers that you don't stab yourself with it. So first of all I'm going to measure the dry pieces of wood, and it's not detecting any moisture in this one, and it doesn't detect any moisture in this one either. Just double checking. And now coming across to the wet pieces of wood, and it measured about 25% in that one and about 25% in that one. And what you can do is you can touch on the hold button when it's on the wet wood in order to be able to more easily read what it says. So the moisture measuring mode seems to work quite well, and it is going to be quite handy, I think. There we are, we're just pressing the hold button now and checking the measurement. It's easier, obviously, to press the hold button and turn the thing the right way up if you're measuring something that's horizontal and flat underneath you.